Hello,
Hello.
Vietnam.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Wow, your jacket is very nice.
Yes,
I like the color of your jacket.
is green.
Yeah, it's dark green and white.
Yes, yes.
That's nice. How about this one here? What's the color of that? Does it have a
Mm,
color black or green and white only?
have many color, but I like this color.
Yeah, it looks good. The color
This
looks...
is shell cloth.
What? What is it?
Shell cloth.
Shared clothes.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
No. S. I must write.
Okay. A sale.
Shell. Yes.
Oh, okay. Now I understand.
This this coat is very hot.
Very hot. Why? Is it thick? Is your jacket thick?
But it's very what does very is very warm and very light.
It's very warm and it's very light. Okay.
Yes,
Mhm.
but it's very cheap.
It's very cheap. How much did you buy
Yes.
that?
Uh, it's 99,000 Vietnam dong.
99,000 Vietnam dong.
Yes,
Oh,
it's very cheap.
wow. It's the amount of 99,000. It's very expensive in the Philippines. Okay, well, later on, I will compute that. I will convert it into Philippine peso. Okay, so now,
Because Vietnam is different from Philippine cost.
yeah, your cost is your money cost too high.
In Vietnam, this cost is very cheap.
99,000 Vietnam dong is very cheap.
Yes.
You know what? 99,000 here in the Philippines, you can buy a car. You can buy a house.
Oh.
And also you can build your own business using 99,000.
$99 Vietnam dong.
Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, let's begin our lesson for tonight. Okay, Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, why are you wearing those gloves in your hands?
I don't like. This is my clothes.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
It's connected in your hands.
Yes.
Very nice. I thought you're wearing a gloves. But it's connected in your hand.
Yes.
Why? Why do you think it has like that?
This is a yoga shirt.
Ah, yoga shirt. Okay.
But the dishes is very warm. So when I go to school, I must wear a uniform. I must wear uniform outside.
A uniform outside.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
I wear my shirt and I wear one shirt with day.
Oh, you wear that
This
first and then uniform.
yes, I wear the shirt first.
Mm-hmm.
Next, I wear new uniform.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Don't have my uniform is short sleeve.
Short sleeves only.
Yes, short
Mm-hmm.
sleeve. So it's very cold. But in Vietnam, this season is very, very, very cold.
Oh, okay. But your shirt looks good. I like that.
Yes, I like that too because I mustn't wear gloves.
Okay. Okay.
I
Wait a
can
minute.
warm my
Okay.
hand.
Oh, your hands are warm. Yeah, because
Yeah,
it has something on your hands. Okay, wait a minute,
yeah,
Vietnam. Wait for me. I will just go to the restroom, okay?
yeah.
Okay. So let's continue now, Viet Anh. So our lesson for tonight will be about movies, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let's listen and finish the exercises. Okay, but before that, let's have new words. Okay, can you read the new words?
My husband is sing karaoke, so it's very noisy.
Oh, who is singing karaoke?
My neighborhood.
Ah, your neighborhood. They're having karaoke.
Yes, it's
Mm.
very noisy and
Why?
heated.
Do they have a celebration there?
Because they sing what does? They sing not good or very, very bad.
Oh, they sing not good. That's why it's very noisy.
Yes.
But I think when their voice is good, I think that's not noisy, right?
Yes, and very headache.
Okay. Can you read the words first?
If they sing
Mm.
good, okay, I very like, but they sing is very, very, very bad.
So you're having a headache because it's really bad.
Yes.
Why
But
do
they
they?
sing is very loud.
Maybe they have a celebration there. Maybe it's their birthday or Christmas party.
Oh, in Vietnam, in what does is pupil some pupil what does some people follow Jesus.
Follow.
Jesus is God. God. God.
Ah,
Yes, they must what that they must
it's about religion, right?
no, they
Mm.
will organize an Christmas.
You organize Christmas.
Yes, but someone don't follow the goat.
Mm.
They
Okay.
don't because that's it. That isn't the what does is isn't holiday.
That is
Isn't holiday.
that isn't holiday. Okay. Mm.
In Vietnam
Do you celebrate Christmas, Viet Anh?
has there to Buddhism.
Ah, Buddhism. Okay.
Yes.
But what is your religion in Vietnam?
One religion is I must translate salaryman.
Salaryman.
Yes,
Oh,
but
I just heard it
someone
now.
will follow the Jesus. Jesus.
Again, the.
Jesus.
Oh, can you
The
spell it?
God. You must you can search in Google is God You will see because someone don't know that.
Okay, I will search it later. So what do you mean by that?
I don't know because I am a salaryman.
Salaryman.
Yes.
Okay, salaryman. Okay, I will take note of that. But do you have a religion in Vietnam called Catholic or Christian?
What?
Catholic. Do you have that kind of religion? Because here in the Philippines, the religions are Catholic and Christian. Oh, this one. Catholic or Christian. These are...
Yes. Is Vietnam has Catholic. Does pupil follow the Jesu is Catholic.
Yeah, teacher is Catholic. We are all Catholic here.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Thank you. How about you? Do you celebrate Christmas too?
No, because I am salaryman.
Oh, okay. So
I don't look like you.
So you don't celebrate Christmas?
Yes.
So what do you celebrate? That holiday only?
Yes, that holiday.
So that is in January or February?
Yes. So in someday on week, Catholic will go to the same pagoda.
Pagoda, yes. Okay, so now I know that there is also a Catholic in Vietnam.
Yes. Someone will call temple.
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 Yeah,
so,
but
Catholic
here,
people, Catholic people will pray.
Will pray, yes. Here in the Philippines, we don't call it temple, we call it church.
I think that's because I don't know. In Vietnam has inhabiting in my city has church very big, and in the church big. Have how many people have about 100 people.
Wow, that's a big church.
Yes, and that's people have wait for me.
Okay.
Huh? Vehicle. Someone people have vehicle transport. Have transport.
Have transportation.
Yes. So they make traffic jam.
Traffic jam.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Because they swing the car. They swing the car was not in the right place.
Ah, okay. So they drive their car in the wrong place.
Yes. They parking car on the street.
They park on the street.
Yes, so many people go on street, don't have street, they will make a traffic jam.
Oh, when the people have church, they park in the street because there are a lot of people.
Yes.
Okay. So, Viet-In, do you see any Filipinos there in your place?
No.
There's no Filipino there?
No.
Really? How about
how
about Americans? Can you see Americans in your place?
I don't see.
Okay. Because I thought that also there are Filipinos working in Hating City. But there are no Filipinos there.
In Vietnam, some people know Sisi. They will littering indiscriminately.
Okay.
And parking the wrong
place.
Yes. And someone used the transport exam, the motorbike. They don't use helmet.
Oh, they don't use helmet.
Yes.
Here in the Philippines, when you don't use helmet, the policeman will get you and will get your motorcycle.
Yes. The police is punished, but they don't care if have their they go fast and supposedly if have the police they they will go another way.
So when they know that there is a police, they go on the other way.
Yeah, they avoid the police.
Yeah, just like the Filipinos, when they don't have helmet, they go to another place to avoid the policeman.
Yes.
Very good.
I think that's not good.
Yes, correct. That's not good.
Because that reason will make a accident, right?
Yes, correct. Do you know how to ride the motorcycle?
My mother is a police, so when I go by, I must wear helmet.
Even you drive a bike?
Yes, bicycle or motorbike.
You know how to drive a motorbike?
No, if.
If, okay. So your mom is
I go
police
motorbike with some people. I must wear helmet, or if I use a bicycle, I will use helmet.
Okay, because I know there are a lot of students in Vietnam that uses their bicycle going to school.
No, I go to by car. My mother
brings you?
Me and some friend neighborhood go to school.
Okay.
Yes.
So you go to school with someone in your neighborhood. Your mom drives the car. Okay.
So is very safe.
It's very safe. Okay, correct.
Yes.
Oh, are you finished writing?
Yes.
Okay. So now, this is the example of the sentence or of the word can stand. Okay, can you read first? What do you mean by the Vietnamese sentence there?
It hey,
Can you read it?
can stand
Mm.
is không thể chịu đựng nổi or hate.
Or hate. So
Yes.
G-H-E-T is hate.
Yeah.
What do you mean by that? Can stand also.
They can play with that people. They can live with it or
Oh.
she or he. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Or
Can stand.
if you can't stand me, you can live with me. You can play with me.
Yes, I
In
understand.
Vietnam.
Very good. Okay.
Yes.
So here, we have here an example. Okay, I can stand my neighborhood. They dance and sing all day. Oh, just like now.
Yeah, the same my neighborhood.
Yeah, it's same
I
as your
can stand my
neighborhood.
neighborhood. They sing karaoke is very, very headache.
Okay. Oh, now, can you read the Vietnamese translation? I want to listen to it.
They dance and sing is very late.
Yeah.
Someday we organize an party. Yes, they sing and dance from 7 a.m. 7 p.m. Eat and drink and talk with some people after they dance and sing till 12.
12 midnight?
Yes.
Oh, that's late already. Here in the Philippines, that's
it's 0
allowed.
o'clock. So some neighborhoods next to is very, very headache.
Yes.
And I very hate that because I must study.
Yes.
But it's noisy. I can't study.
But do they do that every night?
No, someday.
Someday. Oh, okay.
Someday because they dance and sing because they is very, very happy.
Ah, they're very happy.
Yes, because
someone's birthday.
Oh no, it's a holiday or exam
holiday or it's weekend.
Exam no TED holiday is great solidarity. In Vietnam had great solidarity.
Great solidarity. Day.
So if go day, we will organize a party. They will eat chicken or pig or a goat.
Oh.
Yes. So the party is very delicious and very big.
There are a lot of foods there. They prepared for it.
Yes, they are very happy and they have drinking alcohol.
Drinking alcohol. Oh.
Yes, so they dance very, very much. And
okay. But it's allowed in Vietnam to be noisy until this time?
yes, but the police don't know.
Oh, but your mom is a police.
Yes. My neighborhood is police.
Ah, it's police too.
Yes, but they done march.
Oh, here in the Philippines, we are allowed to be noisy until 10 in the evening only.
Yes, he done. He sing. He does. His volume is very, very loud.
His music is very, very loud. Oh.
Yes.
Okay, now, let's have exercise 1. These people
my neighbor is very noisy, but the next two neighbor very, very noisy too.
Oh, they're all noisy there.
Yes.
So they are singing too tonight?
No, they I think they are tired.
They are tired of being noisy.
Yes.
Okay, now let's have exercise 1. These people are talking about movies. What kind of movies do they like? Check the correct answer. Okay, or you put your headphones first. Okay now?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Listen.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Oh, it's not working. Okay, so we have, wait a minute. Let's try this one. It's not working too. So let's proceed here, Viet Anh, to some new words.
Yes.
Okay, can you read it first?
Drummer. Volcano. Volcano. Scary. Realistic. Effect. Famous. Effect. Famous. Actor. Robbery. Hunt. Explosion. Terrific.
Okay. Also, do you know what is a volcano?
What?
What is a volcano?
Is a mountain have fire?
Yes, correct. It is a kind of mountain that explodes or it has fire. Okay, very good. How about famous? What do you mean by famous?
Famous, if I'm famous, many people will know me.
Yes, correct. Many people knows you. Oh, how about robbery? What do you mean by that?
Robbery is some people don't good.
They get
some people or something is not
that it's not
our shelf.
Yes, okay. That it's not their own things. They're getting them. Okay, very good. Okay, so next batch. This is the next batch of a new words. Can you read it?
Funky, explorer, discover, app, soundtrack, fantastic. It.
Oh, that's thief. Thief.
Still. helicopter, chase.
Okay. What do you mean by soundtrack?
Is the same karaoke.
Yeah, soundtrack, that is a music which you can hear from some movies.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, something like that. Okay. Okay, so this one is an example of the sentence using the word worth plus verb ing.
I finished.
Okay, what do you mean? Can you make an example using the word worth plus verb ing?
I was going into the village.
Mm-hmm. Oh, how about worth?
I was doing my homework.
Oh, so here is an example. This film was worth seeing. Okay? So example, I will give you an example. This food is worth eating. Or this mobile phone is worth buying. So worth means it is deserving or it is very good. Okay?
Yes, I know.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's try exercise number 2. Wait a minute. I will see if it's working. Oh, okay, it's not working. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, well, anyway, everything in the audio file was not working. So it's okay because we got 3 more minutes left. Okay, well, anyway, Viet Ain, yeah, maybe next week I will give you your test again. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. It's good that you are not late tonight.
Yes, tonight I go to learn more is early. I go home early.
Okay, that's good because you don't have to study all day. You have to rest also.
Yes.
Studying is very good, but if you study and you don't have enough rest, that's very bad, okay?
Yes, someday my math lesson is very, very long. So I must go home late.
Ah, okay. Well, anyway, when you go home late, how do you go home when it's late already?
If I go home late, can you wait for me 10:15?
Of course. If you are late, you know what? I keep on waiting for you until my time is running out. I don't leave.
Yes.
I'm waiting for you. Don't worry. Okay?
Yeah, thank
All
you.
right. Yeah, because I know that you are coming, but last time I waited for you for almost 1 hour, but you weren't able to come home because you were stuck in a traffic jam. Your mom told me. So I said, it's
Yes.
okay, ma'am, no problem. That's all. Okay. Well, anyway, Viet Ain, it's nice to see you tonight. And
Yes.
we are going to have our class again on Tuesday, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So good night, Viet Ain.
Good night, teacher.
Okay. See you again.
See you again. Good night.
Good night, night.